guys, it's another day in our village. I'm still here. It's been almost 2 weeks and I'm still here enjoying the countryside life. And today I need to pick up all the cherries from those cherry trees. All the cherries are ripe, so it will take me a few hours, maybe even a couple of days to pick every single cherry out, but I'm enjoying the process anyway, so it's all fine. So let's start picking them up. That's how much I picked up. I think I've done a good job. Hello everybody! Today I want to show you a little bit around the village where I'm staying in right now, visiting my friend Christina. It's a very small village in Kazakhstan, the population of which is only 2,000 people. So don't expect anything major. It's a very tiny village. I can probably even give you a tour within the next 30 minutes of walking, but we're gonna drive, so it's only gonna take us like 5 minutes to show you all the main points of the village. The village name is Озерки, which translates to English as the lakes. So let's go and take a very quick tour around the village. So this is the first attraction of the village. It's the one and only Orthodox church here, and today is Monday. It's closed right now. The priest comes only during Saturday and Sunday. And according to the rumors, Dostoevsky had a wedding here. It's not official information, but that's what every citizen of the village thinks about, and unfortunately it cannot be checked if it was so or not. But anyways, this is what this church is famous for. This is the school, the one and only school as well in the village. And that's where kids study from 1st grade until 11th in just this one 2-story building. Minions! What a surprise! Christina studied in this school, by the way, 11 years. Да?
Да, yes.
Basketball field, a volleyball nest. This is the local White House, guys. That's where the main guy of the village sits, stays, rules basically. Welcome to Mexico, guys. This store gives me some serious Mexican vibes. Duken means store in the local language. Here is the local mosque. Looks like it's expanding a bit. And this one looks like it's open today. Here's the open door. There is an open window. But I'm not gonna go inside because I'm not dressed properly. Just quickly, I want to show you the cemetery, which is very interesting to me because I've never seen this before. This is how the local Kazakhstan cemetery looks like. You can see they all are like made of bricks with a moon on the top. And that's how the Orthodox cemetery looks like, which is very common for my eye. That one was the old cemetery, but this is the new one. Looks pretty much the same, just newer and cleaner. Today they received the coal. This is 5 tons and this will last them the entire winter. And by the way, this entire thing cost 83,000 tenge. I will write it on the screen. How much is it in dollars? And there's Kuzya. 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 Sweet boy. This is the backyard of their house, and to me it looks so atmospheric. Hello guys! So today we decided to come by the Irtysh river. This is the main river in Semipalatinsk area. This place is located near Christina's house, and also today we brought Christina's nephews. Two of her nephews also came to visit their grandparents in their village. So today we decided to come here, to spend here some time by the river. We're not gonna swim, we're just gonna sit by the river and have some good time with the kids and stuff. This is the surroundings. Kazakhstan is mostly steeps, so you will mostly see the flat areas and only a little bit of trees. We came to see another lake on our way home. This lake is called KAZAKHSTAN, and Christina's father told me that this lake was artificially made by the workers that were working here back in the days. It's a pretty cool lake. It feels quite warm. Maybe next time we will bring our swimsuits and swim in here. And today's Saturday also. There are so many people around. Everybody is spending their day off here. We keep getting our electricity turned off almost every single day here in the village, and when there is no electricity, it stays like that for about 5 to 8 hours. And this is how we are escaping the situation. This is like a gas grill or gas plate. And when there is no electricity, there is no water as well, because somehow it connects. So for the whole day, we're left without electricity, light, internet, water. And it's not bad actually. I'm getting used to it. They have like a gas plate, gas grill, where we can still cook some food, and there's some extra water that they prepared in advance. So we're washing our hands, our bodies, our vegetables in those water. So I'm experiencing the village life as it is.
Red помидоров.
Guys, today I'm gonna be doing something really exciting. I'm gonna be milking a cow. Please let me know if you ever milked a cow before, those who don't live on a farm or in the village. I've never milked a cow before. I'm so excited. I don't know why. I always wanted to try to milk a cow. I'm waiting for the cow to come back from the field now, and I'm gonna be milking it. Village girls. That's the one.
Ну давай подгоняй немножко. Она тебе сейчас как даст.
That's the one I will be milking today. And as you can see, she came back from the field, and she's standing next to her door, waiting for her owner to come and let her in. And after that, I'm gonna be This cow name is Ramashka, which means daisy in English. What a pretty name. But unfortunately, she's not very friendly. She doesn't allow me to come close to her. Even now, like when I'm standing here and trying to come closer to field, she's getting very aggressive. So unfortunately, I will not be able to milk a cow today, not this time, but it's still gonna be in my life goals. So it took about 10 to 12 minutes to get almost a full bucket of milk. Well, I didn't get to do it. I'm a little sad, but I think I will do it some other time, somewhere else. Ух ты! How the place of my dreams looks like. No joke, this is what gets me hard in life. The smell is not so great, but things like that you don't see much in the city. So whenever I get to see something like this, I'm the happiest girl in the world. And if you're wondering why we came here, I needed to take a picture for a thumbnail for one of my village videos. Yes, it takes a lot of effort to take a good thumbnail photo. And I saw this heavenly place, and we even talked to the owner. He told us a little bit about the place, and it turned out to be such a great day. I love learning small things like this about local cultures. I love talking to the owners of businesses like this. This is a freaking cool business to have. Very hard one, but really cool. And I don't know what else to say. This is just what makes me happy. Today we came with Christina to a little picnic away from kid while her baby... Oops, opening champagne bottles is not my thing. It's Prosecco, by the way. So we came to a little picnic just to have some chill time, and I'm leaving tomorrow already, so this is like our last together moment to just spend some time together basically. So you can join us for our little picnic. We're not gonna be here for a very long time because she has 2 kids that are waiting for her at home, so it's just gonna be like maybe 2 hours thing. So yeah. I've spent here almost 1 month in this village, and I can say for sure that I will really miss my time here. Today is our final dinner. I'm leaving tomorrow, so Christina is gonna be cutting this pumpkin right now that was waiting for this hour for a very long time.
Типа вот ты клубнику срываешь. Еще раз. Она вообще
Сейчас возьму, Саш.
Hi guys, these are my last moments in Kazakhstan. Christina is taking me to the train station now, but I'm not taking the train. I'm taking marshrutka to Barnaul, and then from Barnaul I'm flying to Sochi. So I will be in Sochi for the next maybe 2 months, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, who knows. So she's taking me now to the train station. We're gonna chill there a little bit, say goodbye. It's gonna be a very sad moment. I hate saying goodbyes. And I will see you in Russia.